Hello guys, this is Darshit, and in this video I'm gonna take you behind the scenes and show you the exact sales process that I followed to close deals of lakhs. And if you are a beginner, or if you don't know how to talk to clients, if you don't know what to talk, and if you don't know how to close clients, then this is the must video for you. So take your pen and paper, be ready, and watch this video that I'm gonna play in the next 3, 2, 1. Hey man, am I visible and audible?
Yeah, you are.
Yep. Hi Arkan, how are you?
Hey, Dashit, I'm good. How are you?
Great. I'm also doing good. And as we had a discussion on Instagram regarding the things that will be taking this forward, so I just needed one-on-one call so that I can explain you everything, what we are going to work with and everything. So before that, do you have any things
Sure.
to say? Anything?
I was also curious about that.
Great. Okay, so let me just give you a heads up how this call will go ahead. So I'll start asking questions around you and your business, and once I understand that you're a good fit,
Wait.
you understand I'm a good fit, I'll offer you something that will eventually help you solve that problem.
Okay.
Great. So
Yeah.
may I know, like, right now, what exactly you are working on? What's the actual major problem that you are facing?
Well, like now we are busy with the courses,
Okay.
and yeah, it's just to get the clients, and yeah, it's just the whole project and the marketing behind it. So yeah.
Okay. So as you mentioned, you are working on the courses. So per month, how many students you are getting right now?
Um, yeah, couple, but yeah, I work like in a week like 50 hours, and yeah, it just like for 50 hours that I work, I just get 1 or 2 clients, and
Oh.
just not enough. So
Okay, that's a major problem that you are not able to get more
Yeah.
clients, more students, right? So
Yeah.
I do understand. So as you mentioned, you are working on the courses. You are getting, like, after working 50 hours, 1 to 2 clients max, right? So what is the actual way that you are using to get those clients? Like, what is the marketing way that you are doing right now, like for lead generation and sales part?
what I'm doing for marketing.
Yeah, correct.
Well, I try some ads, but yeah, it's not working well.
Okay.
And it's not going well. So yeah.
Okay, so those students you got previously, what ways you are trying? Organic or through paid ads? You got those students?
Paid ads.
Paid ads. But right now, as you mentioned, it's not working.
No, it's not working well.
Okay, so as you mentioned, it's not working. So in what ways it's not working? It's like you are investing a lot of amount and not getting any single lead, or it's about you are investing amount
Yeah,
getting bad
exactly.
quality leads?
Exactly. My CPC, and it's just the amount that I pay for the ads is just too high also, and yeah, I don't get any leads.
Okay. So majorly you have both the problems. That is, mainly you are investing a lot of amount also and not getting any leads also, right? It's like too high.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I do understand. Now, other than this, do you also face any other problem?
Well, yeah, it's just, of course, I mean, everyone can learn making ads, but it's just not running the campaigns. It's just the whole project. I mean, it's from the taxes that you place in the ads, and yeah, there are different ways to get attention from the people, and yeah, you just have to fix nice taxes, and yeah, it's just the whole from the beginning until the end. It's just, yeah, it's not easy.
I totally understand. Right. So
There are
So-
different. Let me explain.
Yeah.
There are different ways to to make a text on an ads, you know.
Correct.
And there are some physically ways to get the attention from the clients, and yeah, that's not my fault, so it's hard for me.
Great. Okay. I do understand the problems that you're facing right now. So, may I know, like, what is the monthly budget that you are ready to invest right now?
Monthly that I invest right now?
Yeah, right now on ads.
Above, between 1K and 2K.
Okay. So you are ready to invest that much amount of budget, and so what are your expectations? Like in the next 1 month, what do you think? After investing that amount, what do you think? What returns you want?
If I don't want to invest anymore.
Okay.
Like more like for myself. So that's why you you were.
Great. I totally understand. Okay, so you don't want to invest it from your side, but
No, I don't want to do that thing anymore.
yeah.
It's not working well. I can't fix it. And
I totally
that's why I
understand.
need
Yeah. So let me just give you a short brief about how we are working and everything. So right now
Sure.
we are working with a lot of international clients in the UK, USA, and in Middle East as well, also in India as well, right? So we are working with a lot of bunch of cybersecurity and other training businesses, right? And you are one of them. So in UK we have tied up with multiple agencies as well, okay? And after getting tied up, we are taking help from them as well, right? Because that's a different country, they are more expertise in that thing, right? So right now there is one of the brand from UK only, we have helped them scale more than 60k, okay, dollars I'm talking about. And then after that there are multiple brands in USA as well, in India as well, Dubai as well. We are scaling like that only, okay? So right now how I can help you is to firstly set up the entire funnel. As you mentioned, the major problem that you are facing is not getting leads, right, after investing a lot of money as well, right? So that's the one major problem that we need to solve to lower the cost, right, and to increase the lead quality and the number of leads, right?
Exactly.
We'll be working on that, and once this is done, you'll start attracting high quality leads for your training, and that's it, right? You'll be setting up the appointments and you'll be closing the client. So as you mentioned, you don't want to do it from your side, so for this entire process we are going to handle it, right? You don't need to do anything, you just need to get on a call and close the client. That's it, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so
That sounds good.
yeah, let me also present my screen so that I can show you some things, okay? May I know what's the average cost per lead is going on in your side?
Sorry.
What's the average CPL, cost per lead, it's coming right now? As you mentioned, you tried running ads and everything.
I don't know for sure. I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
I have to
Okay.
check. No, I'm not sure.
Okay.
I can't give you the exact numbers. I don't know.
Okay. Got it. So just to mention you, as you mentioned, you have a budget of 1 to 2k. So let's take the better example of 2k if you are ready to invest that. So whatever the amount you are investing will be actually helping you get those students. So in that amount, you can expect like 10 high quality appointments. Okay. Out of that, even if you close like 2 clients, you'll be making the amount that you are investing more than that, right? So as we had a discussion, it starts from like 2000 and it goes to 5000 as well, the overall training part, right, and everything. So even if you close 2 clients out of that, you'll be getting a good ROAS, right? So that's what we can help you right now. And just like that, if you want to increase the appointments in the upcoming months, we'll be investing more amount, right? Right now your budget is 2k, so that's what we can help you with, right? So I hope you understand all these things.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay. Well, what's next? What are
So the
steps?
next is, firstly, we have to get on an onboarding call so that we can take all the inputs from your side. What exactly your problem in ads, right? So we have to check your dashboard as well and everything. And based on
Yeah, for sure.
based on that, we'll be giving you some solutions. We'll be trying to fix that firstly, and we'll be upcoming with the new strategies and everything. And we'll be trying solve it in like next 7 days. Okay. And once your ads starting again, we'll be start attracting quality leads, and we'll be giving you the CRM, okay, where the all leads are coming, and you'll be checking like all good leads, filter leads and everything, so that you can qualify it from your end, and just need to get on a call with them and close the client. That's it. So this is the overall process, and for this currently we are charging if we are helping you to reach to your goal, and we also have our team at the back end working, right? So we also have to pay to them. So for that currently we are charging somewhere around $1,800, okay, for the first month for the ad budget that you give, and after that, based on the budget, we'll be increasing that pricing as well, the service pricing, right? So what I'll do is I'll just share you my ID where you can make the payment, okay, and we'll be
Yeah,
taking
okay.
this forward.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much, and I'll see
You're
you
welcome.
on Monday.
I will.
7.
You will send the details on mail, I guess.
Yeah, 100%, and with the proposal as well.
All right.
Okay,
Thanks.
so are you available Monday 7 p.m.
Monday.
IST? I'm talking about.
Give me one moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, Monday. Yeah, that's
That is 8 a.m. EST.
yeah, that sounds good for me.
Good, right? Okay, so had a good discussion with you. Definitely, we are going to grow together. Thank you so much.
Thanks. I hope. Yeah, I mean, I don't have to hope. I trust you guys. I know it's gonna be alright.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thanks, man.